Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video, and this time, as the name suggests, we have the Lexus RC F, the performance package variant. So basically I think this is the RCF from Lexus with some kind of performance mod in it. This is a replica of that. This is from Tomica, as you can see, Takara Tomy. And let's just quickly open this up and show you what's in the package. And also this is a 1:64 scale vehicle. Let me just pull it out now. Yep, that's the scale model. Quite neatly done. This is not a premium as such, it's just a regular Tomica, but then it's quite well detailed, as you would expect from a Tomica. And you can see here the Lexus badging and the RC F. The F is prominent, the RC is there, but yeah, the RC F. Lexus logo, Lexus written over there, and Tomica, Tomy, Lexus RC F, made in Vietnam, 2020. Scale is 1:64. Number, what's this number? Number 84 in their model line. And this too has suspension, front and rear both. So if you try to bounce, that happens. Front, rear, everything. So this is basically the Lexus. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to show you how this vehicle looks. It's got the spoiler, it's got a matteish finished roof and hood with air scoop to take in the air for performance. And then the headlamps are nicely detailed. It's more of the plastic glass kind and not just painted on the body, which is a good thing to have such kind of plastic inserts. The doors don't open, it's just a closed model. The F badging over here and here. Overall, it's a cool looking miniature vehicle. Quite badass from the front with the huge Lexus grille. So yeah, this is it for the video. This is the Lexus RC F performance package variant. In case you're planning to buy this, I just wanted to give you an idea of how it looks. And yeah, this is the whole vehicle. So do like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see the unboxing of any other vehicles from Tomica, and I will see you in the next one.